Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This video I'll show you how to make a material and some tools. The first thing we are gonna do is make the material. So let's add a class and let's call it compact gel. There we go. Now let's go into our weapons and just copy these things over here. And let's make it a mod item. There we go. Now let's just do public set. Okay, override set static defaults like always, and now just set the display name and everything. Set defaults compact gel and tooltip dot set default is equal to a bit of gel. Let's do creative sacrifice things and okay, so this sets the name, this sets the tooltip, and this sets the research, the amount of items you need to research it. Public. So now let's go and set the max stack, the rarity and everything. So let's do item not max stack equals to 100. Item not rare is equal to item rarity ID dot blue. And let's do item. Okay, I forgot you need to do width too. So 16. But 16 is the basic one. It's like most items are like that. Most materials. Item dot value. Item dot by price. Silver 1. Okay, we'll give you a second. There we go. So this basically sets the amount of items you can have in a stack. This sets the rarity, this sets the dimensions, and this sets the value. Now let's go and add the recipe. So public override add recipes. Create recipe. You should not have to do this because if you watched the other video, you should know how to add a recipe. So ingredient item ID dot let's do 15 gel maybe. Yes, let's just do register. I don't want it to be craftable unlike a workbench or anything, so yeah. Now we're done with this. I do have a sprite actually. Compact gel. Compact. So make sure it's in the same folder and has the same name. When you have done that, we can go ahead and create a tool. So make a new folder called tools and then let's just do pre-boss. Pre-boss. In here, add a class. Let's go ahead and do our pickaxe first. So gel pickaxe. Add so instead of writing everything again, let's just go into our gel sword and copy everything. Just paste it in here. So remember to change this to tools items dot tools dot pre-boss and change the name to gel pickaxe. There we go. Gelatin pickaxe. Let's rename those. A pickaxe of gel. Okay. Let's just I'm gonna leave them leave this be, or I'm gonna set the damage to that and make it a little lower. There we go. And let's add another one called, okay, let's just wait before I forget, do item dot pick equals to 45. This just sets the pickaxe power to 45 and it makes this a pickaxe. Now let's do Ingel axe. Just go ahead and copy this from over here. So Gel axe and just do it like this. Let's just finish it. Axe. And remember to change the pick to axe. Okay. Wait, so I forgot. I also want to use, instead of the normal gel, I want to use more modded. So mod content dot item type. So I want to use a modded item. To do that, you have to first go ahead and reference the place it is. So tutorial mod dot content dot items dot material dot pre-boss, and that's it. I should be able to do compact gel now. And now you have a modded ingredients, or you need a modded item to as an ingredient. Yes. Okay, so I also need to copy over this. Let's save that, and let's save that. There we go. Now let's do the same thing with the hammer. Let's add a class gel hammer, and just let's copy over this. There we go. Now gel hammer gelatin hammer hammer okay, let's instead of axe do hammer, and that's it. There we go. Now once we are done with this, go ahead and add your sprite. So I have made some sprites, or like images or pictures or textures, whatever you want to call it, for this. So gel axe, gel hammer, gel pickaxe. There we go. Now let's go ahead and test it out. But then first of all reload it. There we go. Okay, so the gelatin at the axe power kind of scales, but I'll fix it later. So to fix the axe power, you are going to have to go into the axe thing and just make it much smaller, and then you'll just experiment. Let's go ahead and reload it again. Okay, now it's a little bit better, or more balanced, I should say. Now let's go and test out our tools, but first let's check out the recipe. There we go. You need compact gel, tomatoes, and for a compact gel you need 15 gel. There we go. Now let's test those out. First let's test out the axe. It is an axe. Now let's go ahead and test out the pickaxe. It also is a pickaxe. Let's see if it can mine that more. Yes, it can. It's not the best, but you know. Now let's try out the hammer. Okay, the hammer is alright. there we go. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Bye.